Hello children, here a snake. Now today we are going to count the snake's spots. Earlier also I taught you this lesson and today I am doing a revision work for you to learn again, right? Now here, a big snake. It's very long. There are spots in its body. We are going to count them. From 1 to, we'll see how many spots it has. Now with this first one, we'll see altogether how many spots are there. Now here, 1. Here number 1. You will learn the numbers and we see how many spots are there. Here. Now here another one. Here number 2. 2 spots. Okay. Now there's another one here. 3. Here 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 spots are there. You see? Here another one. 4 spots. Okay? Now, there's another one here. We say it's 5. 5 spots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, here another one. Then here 6 spots. There are some more spots there, right? Here, then here another one. After 6, what's the number? Number 7. Here, number 7. 7 spots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 spots. There are so many spots there in the other side. We'll count and see altogether how many spots are there. After 7, what's the number? After 7, 8. After 7, 8. Then after 8, here another one. Another spot here. After 8, 9. After 8, 9. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are some more spots there. After 9, what is the number? After 9, 10. After 9, 10. Here, 10 spots. Here the 10. Here, 10 spots. After 9, 10. Okay, 9, 10. Another one there. After 10, what is the number? 11. Yes, here 11 spots. Long one, no? Long one. Then after 11, what is the next number after 11? 12. What is the number? 12. Here 12 spots are there. Okay. We'll go to the next one. After 12. What is the number after 12? 13. What is the number after 12? 13. Look, 13 spots are there. There are some more spots. Long snake. Okay. After 13, 14. Here, look. 14 spots. Long snake. In the last spot, After 14, what is the number? After 14, 15. That's the last one. Okay? This is the last one. After 14, 15. We'll count and see now. We'll count. How do you count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How many spots are there? 15 spots. It's a long snake. Okay. It has 15 spots. Shall we count again, children? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay? Now, all together, 15 spots. The snake is very long with 15 spots. So, remember, today we count from 1 to 15. And now we know the numbers from 1 to 15 in order. Thank you for listening, children. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. Thank you very much.